Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if error plus VLOOKUP function in Excel. Here you will see I have created this table employee. This is the employee ID. This is name of the employees, their department, their salaries and their status. Okay, now I want to find out everything here by just entering their employee ID. Okay, so I want to enter employee ID. This employee ID you will see their name, department, salary and status is appeared here. Okay, if I enter wrong employee ID or the employee ID which is not here in this table, you will see not found, no error. There will be not found text. Okay, but in this status you will see this error has n by a. Okay, so how to avoid this error, how to do it? So here you have to use the if error plus VLOOKUP function. Okay, so how to do it, let's see. So first we will use this if error plus VLOOKUP function here in name section. Okay, equals to, then if error, now bracket open, then VLOOKUP. Okay, then lookup value. So lookup value will be employee ID. Okay, comma, not table array. So we will choose whole table. Okay, select the whole table, comma, now call index number. So name is the second column. Call index number means column first, second. So here you have to enter 2, comma, now we want exact match. Okay, then bracket close, comma, now if error found, now you have to just enter not found. So you have to enter the text. If there is an error means there is, if the email ID is not in this table. Okay, now just bracket close. So here you will see not found. Now we will copy this formula. Okay, and paste in the department. Okay, and we have to just change one thing, column index number. Department is third, you have to enter 3 instead of 2. Okay, then salary, again copy that formula, paste here and enter here, just change column index number. Salary is 4th, you have to enter 4th. Okay, now again in status paste that formula and change the column index number. This is 5th. Okay, now if I enter the email, any employee ID, okay, you will see the name has appeared. Okay, 5. So the name has appeared, but if I enter any employee ID which is not here, so you will see not found, not found. So like this you can use if error plus VLOOKUP function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.